What's up, guys? This is me. My name is Rafa Gamer, and today we are doing some like toy collection part 2. And today we done to part 1, right? So the thing is you can't see. You just this. We just finished the first one. You see this? Yeah. But everything's so like this one and this one. Yeah, this one, toy collection. And even his gun too. And even his like and modern talking, right? I got like plushie over here. This one, just and cute, happy together. You see this? Yeah. And even over here, there's Barney. Hello. How are you? You love me. And just like, fuck me, I don't know. So the thing is, this is my clock I make on the school. Yeah. And is in a 1B. I'm 1B school. But this time, I'm 3B. Yeah. So you can rotate this one. Everything like this. So okay. Let's see this one. This is pretty good. See that? Yeah, you actually need. You like? That's so going to do that. Yeah. The first time, Minions. Minions so big, right? You can open this over here. Hold on a minute, guys. Just a minute, guys. There. Over here, we got like more some stuff. Oh, I like this game. Even Pokemon too. Pokemon. Where's that? Pokemon. I don't know why I have it on my phone. Pokemon. I watched this Pokemon and it's so cute. Look at this. If you've never seen Pokemon, and you just buy it. So that's it for me, guys. And there's a Play-Doh over there. Yeah, and this car is so cool. You see this? Wow. Yeah, we definitely got things from my school. Yeah. So, this is my Xbox and PS3 and my TV. Yeah. So, and actually, I'm gonna end this video right now because I hope you enjoy and subscribe and turn the bell icon. Bye bye.